Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can get logged into your UPSR's account. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, you have to open up any web browser on your PC. And there on the URL, search for UPSR's login and press enter on your keyboard. Now from the search result, tap on the very first link, UPSR's login. Once you do that, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from there, you have to tap on UPSR's login at the top right or the UPSR login button at the left side of your screen. And then you will be ended up to its login page. Now here you have to type in your employee number and then you have to add @ups.com. Now once you're done with typing in your username, you have to tap on next button and then you will take into the next page. Now here you have to type in your account password correctly. Now if in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget my password link and follow all the on-screen instructions till the end to recover your password. And once you're done with typing in your password correctly, tap on sign in button. If the credentials you have typed in are correct, then you will be able to get logged into your UPSR's account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your UPSR's account. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will be back with more videos like this.